So we put some fresh oil in it, and the gas tank's almost empty. So I'm gonna go get some gas. It's cold as hell here, so I'm hoping I don't freeze my ass off on the way there.
Nipping real hard.
Yeah, I'm cutting glass right now. So hopefully, it gets me there, because I don't feel like having to push into the gas station. That's kind of humiliating.
I'm gonna laugh.
Or watch it not start.
Right.
I can't even get the damn key to turn.
I love how now in the video they're getting my perspective.
Right.
Your perspective of me.
There we go.
I'm always the voice behind the camera.
No start.
I'm gonna get some fuck about.
All right. Yeah, I got it. Oh. Ah, you slut. I just put fresh oil in you. You better be nice to me. My feet barely touch the ground on this thing.
I'm gonna go let you know.
Up.
His toes barely touch. Look at him.
No leaks, that's good. Definitely does not like anything over 7,000. So that was fucking sketchy. Like in the video, when I took off, it started spinning real bad, and I thought it was just that the tire was cold. Turns out this thing's leaking gas, and we couldn't tell until I pulled in here, and he started yelling at me to shut it off. Came running at me with a fire extinguisher. So we got lucky. This thing could have burned to the ground. I'm gonna take the tank off and see why it's leaking. Hopefully it's nothing serious. Probably dry rod fuel lines, yeah. So she tried to kill me already. We're gonna give her a little bath, make her look a little better. So hopefully we can still get her ready for tomorrow. Oh yeah. I can't find my wash mitt, so this rag's gonna have to do it. I know some of your detailing guys are gonna hate me. Oh yeah. Probably the most love this bike's got in a long time. Bath, and this thing is actually pretty nice. I'm really surprised. Like, we didn't think it was just really dusty. Well, she is still leaking gas, so we're gonna have to figure that out. But that's